Hello, my name's Elliot Masters, and I'm going to have a very weird shower. Now, first of all, you need something like this that holds water. And you fill it up. And then you need a nice bit of ground where nothing is disturbed until now. And you aim up and push it. Because I'm not going to do it. But now I am. And there you have it. I've had a very wet and weird shower.